On Monday, August 12th, Scott Walker was officially sworn in as the new City of Waco Fire Chief. Chief Walker will serve as the 14th Fire Chief, marking a new chapter in the Waco Fire Department's 151-year history. Chief Walker was selected from a competitive pool of 60 applicants after an extensive nationwide search. He brings more than 30 years of fire service experience to Waco.
So good morning, and I want to start by saying that I am honored to have been selected to be the next Fire Chief of the Waco Fire Department. Serving as your Fire Chief is a role I take great pride in, and will work every day to ensure that the Waco Fire Department is providing the highest levels of customer service to our community in all that we do.
The City of Waco is excited to have Chief Walker join the team, and we are confident that he will build on our department's strong foundation to enhance the safety and well-being of our residents. The 450-car parking garage at Foster Pavilion is getting a new look with the addition of decorative translucent screening. One side of the garage now boasts a view of Lover's Leap from Brazos Park East, while another showcases the Baylor Bear mascot with the spirited Sick'em Bears motto. Crews are working on the remaining two sides of the building. Once finished, the screening will obscure the parking levels from all sides. The Foster Pavilion is a collaborative project between the City of Waco and Baylor University, which includes the basketball arena, parking garage, and riverfront development.